Okay, see, in this question we need to calculate Vxy, right? See, as you can see that Vxy, as there is no direct relationship, so Vxy would be equal to Vxa plus Vac plus Vcb plus Vby, right? According to Ohm's law, Vxa we can write it down like Ixa into Rxa. Rxa is given, that is 3 ohm, right? VAC, as you can see that there is no current flowing from A to B because there is not a closed circuit, correct? So if there is not a closed circuit, then in that case it's an open wire, and in the open wire current will flow or not? No. So if current is not flowing, then the voltage across that would be also zero or not? Because V is equal to IR. If I is equal to 0, then current should also, voltage should also be equal to 0, right? Next, VCB is they have already given, that is we have to take the second sign again, plus, right? Plus 4 volt. Then in that case VBY is again how much? IBY into RBY. RBY is how much? That is 3 ohm, correct? First of all, tell me, any doubt in this equation? Okay. Now see, as you are moving from X to A, so current should also moving from X to A. Okay. As you are moving from B to Y, so current should also move in the same direction, IBY. Okay. Clear? Now as you can see that we can calculate the value for current, right? That is how much? Ixa would be equal to how much? Minus 2 by 5, correct? Because it would be minus 2 Ixa minus 3 Ixa, and minus 2 is equal to 0. So it would be minus 2 by 5. Similarly, IBY is how much? Tell me. That is 4 by 8, correct? So it would be 1 by 2, right? Positive, negative, positive, negative, let's mark the sign also. So Ixa value we got it as minus 2 by 5, right? But we have to take the second sign. If we are moving from X to A, so it would be minus. So minus Ixa into 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus, again you are moving second B to Y, so we have to take second sign, so it would be IBY into 3. Now we can substitute the value of Ixa and IBY over here, then in the final we'll get the value for Vxy is equal to minus 3.7 volt, or we can say Vyx is just opposite. Understood?